We just finished our presentation at this platform. For the first time, Ashok Leyland Pantnagar has got this opportunity to showcase our transformation journey, what we took at Pantnagar to meet our customer demand. So the NPS, that is National Productivity Summit, this has really helped us to understand how the industry is moving, what are those new techniques people are using and they are embracing, and this is kind of, I consider it is a cross learning, and we learn from each other, and this is how the nation gets built, and it helps improve overall nation's productivity. I would request Priyank to explain about our project.
And the most important thing, we had a 200 companies delegates here, and we presented and took their insights. When we presented, they had a lot of questions. Those questions actually improved us in terms of thinking out of the box, because we come from the commercial vehicle and many manufacturing machining tool companies are also there. So they have their own perspective. That way, it is a cross learning among all of us. So our project one on lean manufacturing, where we build the manufacturing capability for the quick response to the market. Within a 8 to 10 months of period, we could able to realize around more than a 600 crore rupees of business is grabbed. So that is what is amazing to explain in front of all the people.
When Ashok Leyland, they demonstrate different 5 values, and agility is one of the important value. And this team has actually embraced lean and agile principles to ensure that we complete the project on time and we meet the business demand by ensuring that the overall market share of Ashok Leyland goes up by 5%. That is a quantum jump what we could take in the previous year.
And the best part, I felt like juries were there, and they were like, they were very happy to see our philosophy, our thought process, and how we approached our project with respect to the people, process, and customer. It was a full package for them, and truly, we are grateful to have such kind of feedback from esteemed jury members of IMTM.
We are the first automotive company outside Japan in the world. We are the first company to get the Deming Award, that is in the commercial vehicle industry, and this award we have taken in 2016, and till date we are practicing all those principles, and those principles are really helping us to reap the benefits of the TQBM. So that is the key what I would suggest to the young generation, that they should also start learning and practicing TQBM principles and follow those principles step by step. And of course, the digitalization is the key. A lot of speakers, keynote speakers, they have talked about the digitalization. So going digital is a buzzword in the industry. So while practicing TQBM, if we can go digital, I think that will be a 10x kind of improvement which will be happening in your business.
And the fundamentals always remain the same. Like lean philosophy, if you follow that, we could able to get so much improvements in our shop floor, and that is based on the simple principles of lean manufacturing. We top up with the digital to have more agility in our shop floor, but fundamentals always remain the same.
When we completed the presentation, in fact, the jury, they were left with no question. They were completely overwhelmed by the way it was presented, the way it was articulated. The feedback, of course, the feedback is very important, because what we also realized while doing this project, by leveraging the digital tools, we realized that there are plenty of things which are available for us to improve further, to take it further from here. So this is not the end, this is just a start. So one of the jury was very right in saying that the improvement should not be a point improvement, it should be a line improvement, it should encompass the complete process. So that is what the learning what we have got, and that is the feedback what we have received, and we are going to definitely implement the same thing in the coming future.
And one key takeaway we are taking from here, that it is not only about Ashok Leyland, we have to take care of our suppliers also in this value chain. So that is going to be the next project for all of us.
National Productivity Summit is actually, it is encompassing different types of industry. It is not only automotive, it is like machine manufacturers are there, cutting tool manufacturers are there, automotive industries are there, the continuous process industries are there. So different perspectives we are getting, and this is the best platform I believe is for the cross learning for all of us. And what we have practiced, I think somebody else, they need not to reinvent the wheel, and similar thing goes for the other people also. We need not to reinvent the wheel, we can simply understand what they have done and implement it at our end. That is a horizontal deployment what we can do.
18th editions, 200 dedicates, 100 projects. still we could get the chance to be top 10, and we presented our case study on the national forum, and we are truly grateful for this.